Hello friends, thank you for coming in my channel again. This is Python class and I will discuss here how to execute a tkinter file. And for the first thing what I will do, I will find the file path where the tkinter project is written. So in my system it is in the I'm sorry B drive, and then projects, and then Python tkinter project. And here I have written some codes like in a file structure, project structure, business layer, data layer, GUI, app. So in the GUI file I have the startup Python file. Through this file I will call the main class that I have written for the project, that the main page will be populated after executing the code. How a Python file can be written, how we can code in Python, what is the basic thing in the Python, what is the basic things are required to know to write a Python script or to overcome interview session. It is all things are discussed in various videos, and it is uploaded in my channel. You can refer those. For now it is the class for the executing only the tkinter project, so I'm going for that to this folder where my files are available. And now another thing what I need the command prompt to execute Python file, so I need to go to the command prompt. We can go by on Windows run and then cmd and then enter, but we will not do this through the do this here. What I will do, I will search for cmd and right click the cmd and then run as administrator. Now I am in the command prompt as an administrator. To run the tkinter project, you may need to run the command prompt as an administrator. So I am showing this way. Now what I need to do, I need to find the exact path where the Python application file is available. We need to do every time when I will execute any Python script. So for me it is in this folder, and here the Python application file is available. So I will call the file path, and sorry, you know the general process, cd and then okay. And here I am now in the folder where the Python application file is located. Now I will call the Python. This keyword will make system understand that someone is going to execute a file which is written in Python script. So I type the Python and keep a gap, and then I will call the file where the Python script is written by the path through the path. So I'll go to this path, I'll go to this path and then projects, and then no, I'm copying this file path, it will be easier. Copy, and then I'll test. Okay, now the file name is startup.py. This is the file where I have written the main class, and I will just click on the enter button. Okay, and now the window has been populated. This is the window what is I have written in my Python script. This is the menus, the master main menu, and this is the employee, and this is the sub menus, and this is the list of employees. Okay, the page, and this will show the employee entry page. So it is written in tkinter, and this is how we can execute the Python file with tkinter project through the command prompt. So thank you for the day.